My name's Isaac. I'm going to read to you Watch the Seasons. There are 4 seasons each year. The first season of the year is winter. The weather is very cold in the winter. In some places, it snows. Spring starts after winter. It gets warmer in the spring. Flowers bloom and plants grow in the spring. Summer comes after spring. It gets very hot in the summer. In the summer, the sun stays up in the sky later. People play outside more. Fall comes after summer. The weather begins to get colder. The leaves on the trees change colors in the fall. The leaves turn yellow, orange, and red. At the end of each fall, winter, summer starts again. The 4 seasons are beautiful to watch.